Dear students, this is the second part of chapter number 2, Reproduction in Plants. Let's start. The first topic that we are going to study is reproduction from other parts. We have read in earlier classes that plants can also grow from other parts besides seeds. These parts may be roots, stem, or the leaves of the parent plant. For example, plants like rose grow from stem cuttings. Plants like sweet potato and dahlia grow from roots. Plants like begonia and bryophyllum grow from leaves. A common example of plants that grow from stem is potato. We already know that potato is an underground stem that stores food. It has buds known as eyes on it from where new plants can arise. Plants na pambi anauba ama chongkhalakpasi makoigi seeds khakta natana makoigi atopa parts singdagi su chongkhalakpa ngami. Kari-karino haibada roots, stem, leaves asinachingbasing asidagi anauba pambi ama chongkhalakpa ngami. Example oina hairabada rose si makoigi stem si kakthalaba matungda stem si aikoina laibak ta yungjallaga makoigi growth ki appropriate condition fazana tawbiragadi rose si anauba pambi ama chongkhalai. Sweet potato aduga dahlia sina roots dagi makoigi mara dagi anauba pambi ama chongkhatpa ngami. Begonia ga bryophyllum gadi mana dagi chongkhatpa ngami. Aduga stem dagi hauba ngamba common example amadi hairagadi potato asini. Potato si lebak manungda moikoi hawi lebak manungda pali makoi si manungda food si store toksalaga thami. They are the underground stem lebak manungda pangba stem ni makoi gi buds lay makoi gi buds tu gi maming eyes kawi. Eyes tu dagi makoi gi bud tu dagi anauba plan ama chongkhalakpa ngami. Masida uriba picture si sweet potato ni makoi si mara dagi hauribani. Masida macha macha amuba dark spot uribasi makoi gi buds haibadi eyes ena khangnaba aduni. Masigi picture sina bryophyllum plant ni. Bryophyllum plant ki magi mana sigi nakanjida pambi macha 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 chongkhalai basi masidagi anauba pambi anauba mamo chongkhalakadoribani. Aduna aikoina ningchanggadabasi pambi anauba ama chongkhalakpasi pambi dugi maru khakta natana pambi dugi mara, roots, stem, leaves, parts tongan basing asidagi anauba pambi ama chongkhalakpa ngami haibasi aikoina khangjinba yai. Pambi makhal type tugi matungin masida laiba parts sing asi pambi khudimakta loinabak chumba nate tongan ba pambi ki matungina tongan na ngami. Next, let's read the bingo's knowledge bank. Plants like ferns and fungi do not grow from seeds. They grow from tiny structures called spores. Plants kara example hairabada ferns, fungi makoi sing asi makoigi seeds marudagi hauba ngamde makoina hauribasi yamna pikpa structure ama lay spores kauba ama madugi spores dagi makoina anauba pambi ama haugalakpa ngami. The next topic is crops and agriculture. Let's read. Plants provide food, oxygen, medicine, timber, etc. to us We grow plants on a large scale so that we can get enough food and other products to fulfill our needs. This practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other products is called agriculture. You must have seen that plants of the same kind are grown in one field. For example, in a particular field, you will see only wheat plants or only rice plants. You will never find a field in which all the plants are of different kinds. These plants are known as crops. The particular area in which a crop is grown is called a farm, and the person who works on a farm is known as a farmer. Plants-tagi aykhoina chinjak fange, oxygen fange, medicine, hidak langtak fange, timber, yum sanaba, using fange, asina chingbasing asi kaya marum aykhoina plants-tagi, pambi-tagi pangbangami. Aykhoina pambi si large scale da yamna chawba, yam chawna pakaknana aykhoina darkar lay. Paktaknana yam chawna pambi si aykhoina tharagadi aykhoigi darkar layba chinjak, food, aduga atopa darkar layba sing asi aykhoigi pambi-dagi aykhoina phangbangamni. Aduna pambi sing asi yam chawna large scale yam chawba jagada masing yamna thabagi adugumbagi practice asi aykhoina science ki term gi matungina agriculture na kawi. The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other products is called agriculture. Food natragana atopa darkar layba products sing phangnabagidmakta masing yamna chawba jagada thaba pambi sing adugi practice adubu agriculture kawi. Aykhoina field amada chap manaba pambi aykhoina thaba thengnai se field amada aykhoina wheat pambi ngakta thaba, gehu pambi ngakta thaba natragana rice plant haibadi phau pambi ngakta thaba aykhoina dum thengnai. Field amada tongan ba pambi sing asi aykhoina amongtang da thajanba haibasi aykhoina thengnade. Aduna field amada thariba pambi asibu aykhoina chap manana tharagadi madubu aykhoina crops ana kawi. Adurga crops hauriba jaga sibuna aykhoina farm kawi. Farm sida thabak suriba adugumba worker mi sing adubu aykhoina farmer aina khangnai. Masida crops ki definition laire. Plants of one kind grown in a particular area at a particular time are called crops. Crops haibadi chap manaba pambi oigadaba, pambi jat amakak oigadaba, yamna chawba jagada aduga akaknaba matamda tharagadi madugumba pambi adubu aykhoina crops haina khangnai. Let's see the next topic. While growing a particular crop, the following points should be kept in mind. Akaknaba crop ama aykhoina thaba matamda makhada piriba condition sing point sing asi aykhoina wakhanda hana mangjawnana laigadabani natrabadi crops adu mapung marai phaba ngammoi kai kaino haibadu aykoi yengsi. Different crops grow well in different types of soil. The seeds should be sown in the right type of soil to ensure maximum production of crops. Tongan ba crops sing asi maikoigi sanaba laihau tongan na laijai, tongan ba soil da makoi chanai. Akakna ba soil amada aikoina thaninge haidana crops ama hekta pangthada thaba yade aikoina thagadoriba crops adugi makoigi chana ba soil lei madugi matungin aikoina thagadabani adu oiba taragadi crops ki madugi mahai adu yamna thokani adu oiba taragadi aikoi miyoibada yamna kanagani chinjak food yamna marang kaina phangani. Let's see the next. It is very important to use good quality seeds, otherwise we will not obtain a good and healthy crop. Aikoina crop ama maru thana bahona ba matamda laugadoiba maru adu afaba makalgi afaba quality gi maru akoina thagadabani koina fattaba tharagadi adu aikoida panbasu yamna ngamoi aduga hakchangju faroi aduna afaba makalgi maru aikoina thaba taragadi afaba aduga aikoida hakchang fagadaba crop phangani haibasi aikoina kawroidabani. Let's see the next one. Different crops grow in different seasons. For example, some crops like rice and maize are grown in summer from June to October. These are called Kharif crops. Crops like wheat and gram are grown in winter from November to April and are called Rabi crops. Thus, it is important to sow the right seed in the right season. Tongan ba crops asi tongan ba season da hawi magi chana ba season matamda aikoina crops adu thagadamni. Example oina hairabada rice ka maize ka si cheng hawai phauga chuja ka si summer gi matamda thagadabani. June dagi October phawda aikoina thahaugadabani aduga summer da hau thagadaba June dagi October phawda thagadaba madugumba makhalgi crops adubu Kharif crops hana khangnai. Aduga winter da hauba November dagi April phawda hauba adugumba makhalgi crops example hairabada wheat ka gram ga makoi sing asibuna Rabi crops hana khangnai. Aduna aikoina crops ama thana bohana ba matamda karamba season da thagadage haibasi aikoina hana mangjauna na khangba darkar lai. Let's see the next. The field where a crop is growing should be properly irrigated or watered, otherwise the crop may dry and die. Aikoina crop thagaduriba maduki labuktu field ising marang kaina pigadabani ising phajana pibigadabani natragadi crop adu kangaga sigani. Next, the crop is prone to damage by pests, birds, grazing animals and diseases. It can be protected in the following ways: proper fencing, spraying chemicals called insecticides and pesticides, using scarecrows, storing the harvested crop properly in sealed containers. Aikoina thariba crop asi tongan ba makhan sing se pest mahik sing ni birds, uchek, grazing animals, crops si chaba lakpa sa san gumba sagol gumba aduga tongan ba laina singda gi aikoina ngakthok na bagidamakta tongan ba mong da aikoina semba yai. Ahambada proper fencing haibadi aikoina thagadoriba crop adugi fill adu madugi akoibada aikoina sambal khajilakadi san gumba sagol gumba mokoi chaba lakpadagi aikoina ngakthokani. Aduga pest tagi or insects tagi si ngakthoknabagidamakta aikoina insecticides pesticides haiba chemical asi aikoina kapthokpa darkar lei. Aduga uchek singna pairaaga crops adu chathokpadagi aikoina kannabagidamakta ngakthoknabagidamakta aikoina scarecrow haibadi mi gi mawongda saraga mi mana thammaga uchek singna kinaba thammadubu scarecrow kawi madu aikoina labukta yungthinba darkar lei. Adu oiba taragadi uchek singna kiduna mi ama laibagi mawongda kiduna makhoi ꯎꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯣꯏ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ harvested crop ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯞꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯛꯑꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯈꯨꯝ ꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯅꯔ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ꯫ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯞ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ, ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯇꯤꯟ ꯆꯥꯔꯣꯏ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯍꯤꯛ ꯃꯇꯥꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ꯫ Let's see the definition of pest. An organism that harms cattle, crops, or humans, for example, insects, rats, weeds, etc. Pest haibagi meaning di makoisi organism amakakni, ahingba jiba amakakni, makoina cattle, crops, humans, yumda yokpa sasan, crops, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯁꯤꯡ, crops, ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯃꯥꯡ ꯑꯇꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯥꯅꯤꯖꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯄꯦꯁ ꯀꯧꯏ꯫ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ insects, rats, weeds ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯤ꯫ Here it comes the end of the lesson, reproduction in plants. In the next video, let's discuss the chapter number 3, food, health and hygiene. Thank you all for today.